Hey guys, what's up? Well, today I have. Oh, look at that. Ganpati. It's a very important place where they make the Ganpati idols right there. And this is in Parel. It's right next to the Central Railway workshop. मैं क्या बोल रहा था मैं एक्चुअली बोलने का था मेरे को कि मेरा ना हॉर्न हेडलाइट indicators कुछ चल रहे नहीं है like my horn and headlights and they are not like the buttons they are not operational. I just came to know that last night and so I thought कि आज Sunday भी है तो I'll just check it out for myself. घर जाके देखता हूँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है and I'll try to fix it myself. अरे बाप रे संडे है और कितना गर्दी है और ट्रैफिक इवन ऑन संडे. और क्या बाकी कैसा है सब हाल चाल. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर गुड. आज तो मेरे को आई हैव टू फिक्स दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ माइंड बिकॉज ये हॉर्न एंड ऑल यू रिक्वायर ना एंड हेडलाइट ऑल्सो लाइक हेडलाइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और वही नहीं चल रहा है मेरा हेडलाइट. ओके तो मैं जाता हूँ घर पे देखता हूँ बाद में कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. ऑलराइट बाय. It must be something to do with the fuse or something, so I'll check it out. So first of all, I'll just clean this up because it's very dusty. So as you can see now, I've started the bike, but the horn is not working, and let me focus. Yeah, the horn is not working, and also the headlights. They're not gonna work. Something has gone wrong with the electrical socket or something, fuse. So let's check that out, okay? Yeah, so I've just put it in this way, and I know the bike is quite dirty. Wash it after I get this done, right? So either the battery box is right here. You can see all busted up. Okay, so this is the fuse which you always used to break, and I replace it quite a lot. So finally it has stopped raining. So now it has to be this because yup, you can see that it is this little fuse right here. It has snapped into two. I need to replace this. Alright, I hope it is off. Yeah, I don't know what is the problem because it always keeps on breaking this little fuse here. Maybe something is wrong with the chip or something which modifies the current and amplifies whatever. I don't know the exact terms, but here it is. And if there's a problem with the chip, then it is going to cause things like this because of excess current. It goes through this, and as a result of which it breaks. So we found out our problem. So I managed to find this little fuse in my house, and now I'm going to fit this exact thing right here. This is the old one, and you can pretty much see like the broken right there. I'm going to fix this right here. It's kind of difficult with your one hand. I'll try my best to fit it. Just bear with me. There you go. Alright, so now it's a bit secure over here, but this was basically done by some rat who had like found its way inside, and it had chewed up everything. So this holder right here, so that's why this keeps on falling off. And I had to install a new lock because the rat also had chewed up the lock. So if you can find out any way by which you can prevent rats from entering your bike or something, then just mention in the comment section. Alright, it will be helpful for me also. There you go, nice and secure. Lock this up. Okay, so now it's judgment time, and it's time to test it out. Let's see if it works. Oh god, is it on? Come on man, don't do this to me. It has to be working by now. Okay, so I think the second fuse now is I think it's also damaged or broken. It's not working even if I put this fuse on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join this without any fuse, and later on put a fuse. Like I'll go in the market and get a new fuse, and hopefully it'll work. But for now I'm going to join this and see if it works. Okay. So this is me joining it. Okay, there you go, joint. And now let's check. Oh, I didn't put the key on. Yeah. So now, Jai Mata Di. Yeah, success. So yep. So that's this. This is the problem right here. Now it's time to get a new fuse now. And actually, the second fuse was also broken. It looks okay. There's no breakage inside that glass tube in there, but still it is it's kind of a faulty piece. So now let's go and get a new fuse. So before going, I'll show you the headlight. Alright, I'll just start the bike. I put it into neutral, and now we'll check whether the headlight is working. So अभी कभी ऐसा emergency situation आया ना तो सीधा से वो जोड़ देने का. That's like whenever we are faced with an emergency situation, just join that. And I'm just talking in context to the Bajaj Avenger, or maybe a few bikes from the Pulsar series, but I don't do that for your very expensive, or if your bike is from a different company, then I don't know what is to be done. But basically what sabka almost the DNA fabric of every bike is the same. So ऐसा. Otherwise बाकी कुछ circuit में problem हुआ, if the circuit gets busted or something because joining it, I do it because it worked for me. That's the reason I do it. So now we are here. I'm gonna get a fuse. इधर मैं लगा के मैं फ्यूज़ ले लेता हूँ. मेरा बहुत सारे लड़के हैं इधर काम करने वाले, लेकिन मैं फिर भी I know what the problem is now. That's why I took it. I did it myself. So चलो फ्यूज़ लेते हैं. Let's get the fuse. फ्यूज़ चाहिए मेरे को. हाँ, ये वाला 2 दे देना. कितना?
पैकिंग शायद आता ही नहीं. पैकिंग तो पूरा किट ला के दिए थे ना.
So I got 2 fuses.
अब उसमें नहीं था, लगाया ही नहीं.
One of them is a spare one, obviously, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be facing this problem again very soon. This is our जुगाड़. I'm not gonna fix it here. थोड़ा सा आगे जाके मैं फिक्स कर लेता हूँ इसको. If I start fixing it here, लोग मेरे को मैकेनिक समझेंगे. संडे का मेरा एक्स्ट्रा इनकम हो जाएगा इधर, which is a good thing. But I have other things to do. आज मेरे को घूमने का है, बस मेरे को बाइक पे घूमने का है मज़े से. एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ से जाते हैं. Go from here. देखे जरा आई किसमें कितना है दम, जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया. आई कैसे रास्ते बनाते हैं यार, कहाँ कहाँ आना पड़ता है. ओ गॉड इधर तो पूरा जतरा है. Actually, even I need to wash my bike, but जाने दो. For now what I'll do is I'll just fix up the screw द स्क्रू, द फ्यूज़। तो ये खोलते हैं हम। ऑलराइट, ये खोल दिया। ओके, किधर गया? हाँ, इधर इट इज़। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू, ओके, स्विच ऑफ। मैं भी कैसा बुलक करूँ। सो नाउ व्हाट आई डू इज आई विल टेक दिस ऑफ। Yep. And मिल गया, पैंट में है ना किसी में। Alright, so I took this out and all you need to do is remove this. Removed. Actually now just press this further so that it stays on tight. I said tight, not all the way, but while putting it inside it'll be a little bit of a difficult task. Okay, just so that it like hugs it एकदम अच्छे से, उसको हगने दो, वहाँ पे टच होने दो। Oh God, this is तो just a formality। अब ये कैसा है, खुलता कैसा है ये? अरे खोल, तो क्या है ये? there you go। Alright, so this is, you fit it here and you put it there and you're all set, baby। That's how it's done, baby। नहीं, पहले चेक करने दे। फर्स्ट आई नीड टू चेक। मैं तो सब कुछ किया, अरे उधर झुकने को नहीं होता है, सब कुछ किया और मिला कुछ नहीं, ऐसा हो जाएगा। स्टार्ट हो, सॉरी रॉन्ग की। स्टार्टेड। ओह ब्यूटिफुल, थैंक यू। सो दिस टाइम वी हैव अ गुड फ्यूज विद अस, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट it's working, people। I am happy। Oh God, अबे हैप्पी बोला, चढ़ मत जा। किधर गया चाबी? Alright, there you go, we have a key with us and now we need to lock it। Make sure it is nicely fit। Okay, that holder is a bit loose, but that's okay। You just need to replace the washer over there। And the next thing I want to do is this, because this is going to give me a lot of problem when I ride. It keeps on shaking, so I'll just find out where I can get those screws। So for now, mission completed। Okay, yeah, the light's working, that's good। You see that? Yeah, I hope you can see it। ट्रिपल सीट मत चलाओ यार, तुम क्यों जान धोखे में डाल रहे हो? लड़का भी है, चार लोग, 4 people। आई नो, लाइक सम पीपल जस्ट मैनेज यार, बट मत करो खाली फुकट। What if the person falls or something? It will be a very bad thing यार। अच्छा, अभी मैं क्या करूँ? अभी मेरे को ना पेट्रोल भरने का है।